Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to everybody, to every student under 3204 thinking skill. Okay, course for this semester. Okay, what is thinking? Thinking is a mental process that's happen in our brain. Okay, so there are 6 elements, 6 components, 6 divisions. Okay, that we learn under this course. The domain of thinking. Okay, there are cognitive domains, affective domains, cognitive domains, reflective domain, critical domain, as well as creative domain. Okay, and other than this, we also learn uh, emotion, intelligence. Okay, uh, as well as multiple intelligence. Okay. Then we have also, in order to enhance the way we think, so we have thinking tools. Okay, where you learn 4 of thinking tools. First is graphic organizer, just an illustrations, and then we learn about how to construct mind mapping, and then question and answer as a part of uh, clarify our thinking. And then the last one, and this is might be one of the most important thinking tool, is called cognitive research trust, where we have PMI, plus minus interesting, consider all factors, aim, goal, objective, first important priority, other alternative, possibility, choices, and other point of view. Okay, so the purpose of having this is to expand and to broaden one's idea. Okay, so in order to apply what we have learned on good thinking skill, so we have to become a good problem solver. We should know how to solve problem, and then we learn problem solving, and at the end of the course we learn decision making. Okay, so this is all what we have. Okay, so before that, let's go to cognitive domain. So we have Bloom taxonomy as well as revised Bloom taxonomy. You should know both. Okay, basically, Bloom taxonomy, we have 6 ladders. Okay, it's just like a pyramid from the bottom one as a foundation until the summit of the pyramid. What we have here is the facts. Okay, and then we need to understand something. And then after understanding something, we should be able to apply it, and then able to analyze it, and then to make something new, synthesis, as well as evaluation. Okay, this is the pyramid of Bloom taxonomy. And then you should be able to know that the first 3, okay, they call it lower order thinking skill, and the rest, or the top 3, they call it higher order thinking skill. Okay, for affective domain, what we have here is how we perceive something. Okay, that connect to our cognitive, but that is not really a cognitive, something that what can we call, like just like a value, our attitude or our feeling. So affectives contain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 level. Okay, the lowest level is just accept. We just accept. Okay, we just accept everything that given to us. Okay, without asking or without uh, responding. We just accept everything. That is the lowest effective. Okay, the second one, we accept and then we respond. Maybe we ask question. Okay, and then the third one, we accept, we respond, and then we try to make it a value. Okay, it's a good value or a bad value. We know how to differentiate it. Okay, as the experience grow, now we have a lot of value in our affective domain. So you need to organize the value and then choose the best value, and then try to make it the characteristic of yourself. Okay, meaning that you accept, you respond, you choose the value, you organize the value, and then practice it so it become the characteristic of yourself. Okay, Don't forget, we also learn brain. Okay, there are 4 theory. The main theory of brain: trillion brain theory, brain wave theory, split brain theory, whole brain theory. Okay, we start with alpha until delta. Okay, so this is the, sorry, you start with gamma and then we finish with delta. Gamma is the most active. Okay, most active brainwave. Then we go to the lowest active brainwave to delta. Okay, we have split brain theory as well as whole brain theory. Then we move to metacognition, is the thinking about thinking. Okay, it's nothing much that we can say about metacognition. It's something to do with thinking about thinking. And then we have reflection, okay, to make sense of our experience, okay. And then we have critical thinking to evaluate the idea. And then we have a critical thinking, okay. And then we have creative thinking to generate and to produce ideas, okay, using analogy as well as metaphor. And then there are 4 levels of creativity. We have preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. You can read this from the notes. I will explain later. This is only the first part of this pre-recorded lecture to give you back, to revise the whole idea first. Okay, don't worry. I will come back later. And then we have thinking tools, problem solving. We have well-defined as well as ill-defined problem. Okay, what is well-defined? We have a specific way to solve it. Ill-defined is a lot of way how we can do it. Okay, so we have to try and error. And then it's come Polya. Polya suggested that we need to go through 4 levels. First, understand what is actually the problem. Plan the problem, maybe some alternative, and then carry out and then review. If we fail to solve the problem, we start understand it again. Okay, in decision making, what we have now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Okay, challenge needing situation analysis, challenge framing causal analysis, generating solution ideas, choosing set as well as what is this? Okay, implementing the decision making, and it involves who are going to make a decision. Who, what is the need to make the decision, the time need to make the decision, the criteria of making the decision, and the risk involved when we make a decision. This is the whole idea. I will give you on Putra Blast, and then you can download this, and then you can try to understand it, or you can have your own notes. But this is the whole idea under EDU FCE 3240. Okay, see you on the next lecture. Okay, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.